Hello everyone, welcome to Gavilo classes. Today we are going to start chapter 4 of IPC, which is deals with journal exceptions, journal exception. Journal exception covered section 76 to 106. These are sections which is covered journal exceptions. Journal exceptions is important topic for both pre and mains perspective. So, uh, so let's understand this topic by deeply and read this concept. This is first of all journal exceptions. We can divide into six type of categories. Six type of categories journal exceptions can be divided. First of all, we will see mistake of fact. Mistake of fact deals with section 76 and section 79. And another is judicial act. Judicial act deals with 77 to 79. And another is accident. Accident deals with section 80. Section 80 deals with accident. And another is consent. Consent divided into two parts. First of all, consent with the consent, without the consent. With the consent section deals with 87, 88, 89, and without the consent deals with section 92. And another is trifles, that means slight causing harm की बात करता है. This is deal with section 95. Another is private defense. Private defense is a broader interpretation that deals with section 96 to 106. These are categories we will discuss. We will discuss deeply and understand the concept step by step. So let's further topic. So further now journal exceptions. First category is mistake of fact. Mistake of fact section deals with section 76 and section 79. This is first category is mistake of fact. And another mistake of fact, that means ignorance of fact is excusable. Ignorance of fact is excuse, but ignorance of law is not excuse. This is a fact. Ignorance of fact is excusable, but ignorance of law is not excuse. So this is covered only mistake of fact, ignorance of fact. Mistake of fact is, first of all, we can say that any act which the person is bound by law, first of all bound by law, and it is mistake of fact and or act done by person which he is bound by law. And the second thing is act done by person he is believing himself under mistake of fact that he is bound by law. This is another thing, which that means section 76 deals with two parts. Section 76 deals with two parts. First part is bound by law, is himself bound by law, and the second is mistake of fact, believing himself bound by law. 76 covered. 79 is act which is justified by law. Act which is justified by law means justification is present. Justified by law, justification is present. And act mistake of fact, believing himself justified by law. And another is this section is divided two parts. First part is justified by law, and the second part is mistake of fact, believing himself justified by law. This is two parts. What is difference between section 76 and 79? Section 76 is act bound by law and 79 is justification. It is bound by law, 79 is justification, justified. So this is covered 76 and 79. Now, general exceptions. General exception. Another category is Judicial Act. Judicial Act section 77 to 78. Two section deals with Judicial Act. Judicial Act we can divide it into two parts. Section 77 and again section 78. Section 77 deals with any act of judge acting, any act of judge acting judicially, any act of judge acting judicially. 77. And another 78 is pursuant any act of person pursuant to the judgment or order of the court. Any act of the person pursuant to the judgment or order of the court. Again, what is difference between 77 and 78? 77, this is deals with act of judge. 78, this is deals with not act of judge, it is judgment or order of the court, act done by another person. And another section 80 is accident or misfortune. Accident means any act without any criminal intention or knowledge. Any act without any criminal intention or knowledge which should be done in lawful manner with proper care and caution. If these ingredients are fulfilled, then that act would fall under section 80 of the accident general exceptions. That would be covered under general exceptions. So these ingredient act should be fall. If any act fall this ingredient. So general exceptions में another category we will see the absence of criminal intention. इसमें जो बात करता है criminal intention की एब्सेंस की बात करता है. दैट मीन्स नॉलेज की बात नहीं करता. इट डील्स विद एब्सेंस ऑफ क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन. जो एब्सेंस ऑफ क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन वाले जो सेक्शन है वो है 81 से लेकर 86 तक, 92 से लेकर 94 तक. These sections deals with exceptions. These sections deal with absence of criminal intention. Absence of criminal intention. Now we will see section 81. Section 81 है जो वो provision which deals with the provision that any act without criminal intention means section 81 done any act purpose of behind this act is preventing harm or avoiding harm. Preventing or avoiding any type of harm. Harm can be done to any person or property. Harm can be done to any person. It could be done any person or to any property. It's related with any person or any property. Means any act, the purpose of this act is preventing or avoiding any type of harm or any type of harm can be related to person or property. मीन्स किसी भी टाइप के हार्म को प्रिवेंट करना और अवॉइडिंग करने के लिए कोई भी एक्ट करना, और एक्ट विदाउट द क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन. आगे कंडीशन क्या है एक्ट की, आगे एक्ट की कंडीशन क्या है, एक्ट शुड बी डन विदाउट क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन, बट इट कैन बी डन विद द नॉलेज. इट मीन्स ये क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन की एब्सेंस की बात करता है, बट इसमें नॉलेज है, नॉलेज प्रेजेंट है, इसमें इंटेंशन एब्सेंट है, नॉलेज प्रेजेंट है। हम बात करते हैं सेक्शन 81 की। 81 मीन्स एनी एक्ट डन विदाउट क्रिमिनल इंटेंशन बट विद द नॉलेज, the purpose of this behind act is preventing harm or avoiding any type of harm. Harm can be related to any person or any property. This is section 81. And another we will see section 82. 82 is act of child. Act of child. 82 deals with act of child. 82 also deals with the totally in. Further general exceptions, another category is unsoundness of mind. Unsoundness of mind topic is very important for pre or means. Unsoundness of mind, it deals with the interpretation that at the time of doing act, the person is unsound. At the time of doing it, at the time of doing act, the person is unsound. Due to unsoundness of mind, the person fall under the general exceptions. It should be that the unsoundness should to be